Good evening. Welcome back to Kids Newsline. It's Wednesday, December 15th. I'm Noah in Tokyo. Japan's Toyota Motor is accelerating its effort in the fast-growing electric vehicle field. The company unveiled its new EV strategy on Tuesday. The company said it aims to achieve global sales of 3.5 million EV units a year by 2030. Tokyo Dome Stadium will undergo the biggest renovations in its history. Mia will give us more details. Mia.
Hi, I'm Mia. Tokyo Dome Stadium will undergo the most extensive renovations in its history, including the installation of one of the biggest stadium screens in the nation, 4 new types of spectator seats and redesigned entrance gates. A total of 400 new spectator seats will be also added. Visitors will be able to enjoy the stadium's new features from the start of the 2022 season in March. Noah?
Thank you, Mia. That is Kids Newsline for this Wednesday. I'm Noah. Have a good evening.